What's poppin', everybody watching? It is 4:30 in the morning right now, and we're about to go plow some snow. Pretty excited, just tired, but you know, everybody needs their snow plow. That's why we got landscapers, man. We finna go get after it, man. I'll check back in with y'all when I'm on the way, and then I'll show y'all some stuff throughout the day. Peace. So as y'all can see, it's a little dark, but there is some snow on the road. And look, this house looking. So we about to go plow this snow. It's not crazy snow, but it is a good amount. So we about to go plow. Let's get in it. Let's get in and go. Let's get it. Just brushed all that snow off my window. Now I'm ready to go. I have to hop out and wipe these windows off because I literally cannot see through them. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, at least now I can see. But yeah, man, we ready to get it. 4 o'clock in the morning, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but the road is literally covered in snow. So right now, we about to be fixing all that throughout the town, man. But it's pretty bad right now to drive. Like, the road is absolutely covered. But regardless, we not scared of nothing, bro. We gonna get after it, man. That's what Lovely Lawns do. We make lawns look lovely. We give lawns love, man. Let's go. Look like I'm in a whole blizzard. As y'all can see, it's not crazy amount of snow on the road, but we still gotta go plow. I know some of these parking lots probably look super bad. But yeah, man, we're still on the way. I'm about to show y'all the plowing job today. Just now we got to our first location. This is our pizza place that we do in our town. First I had to shovel all this freaking snow while my guy was pushing it around. This time it was way more snow. Damn, he's going. But yeah, you see he's getting it. He's getting it. That's what Lovely Lawns do. Just get it. About to plow all this, but I'll get back to y'all in a second. About to just continue to shovel. It's kind of hard to record this thing and shovel at the same time. Getting that shit plowed. Let's see if I can prop y'all boys right here. Oh no, it ain't gonna work. Let me see. So as y'all can see, see, I got that. See, we got it about done. We just got to do the driveway, the drive-through now, and this part right here, and then the little corners and stuff. Well, we got it all pretty much done now. Whole parking lot cleared. It's been about an hour. As you can see, we plowed everything that we have to plow, except for like very tiny little corners. But where I'm from, out here in Virginia, it does not snow that much. It really rains, and after it snows, it heats up. So that creates a lot of ice because it makes water all throughout the property. So that's what we're dealing with now. So we're about to go drop some salt out throughout this thing and get up out of here. That's how you control this thing. It's just 4 buttons: up, right, left, down. Simple stuff. But we on the way to the next one right now. Come with us, man. Look at that snowplow. Everybody watching me finish the first property. Now we over here at another place. See your location. About to plow this snow right here. Y'all boys see that? About to get this pile right here. Swooped it in there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what's up, everybody watching? That's it for the day. We done plowed everything. It's about, oh man, my phone died. My other phone died, but it's 12:30 right now. We've been going since about 4, and now we back at the spot. Day's over. It was a fun day snow plowing. Got out there real early this time, man. Got all that snow up, and now we back to Ruby. Ruby! I'll see y'all, man. Thanks for watching. Peace.